Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today's question has us examining this energy example table with 3 examples that show energy being used. Example 1 has a portable phone charger being used to play music on the phone. Example 2 has a person drinking Gatorade as they go on a long run. And example 3 has a person blowing up a balloon for a birthday party. The question we're looking to answer is which 2 examples are more like each other in how energy is being used. Let's take a look at our answers. Option 1. Example 1 and 2 are both examples of potential energy being transferred into a system and converted into kinetic energy. So it's saying 1 and 2 are examples of potential energy being transferred into a system, converted into electrical energy, whereas example 3 shows kinetic energy being transferred into a system and converted into potential energy. Option 2 says example 2 and 3 are both examples of potential energy being transferred into a system and converted into kinetic energy, whereas 3 shows kinetic energy being transferred into a system and converted to potential energy. Option 3 says example 1 and 3 are both examples of potential energy being transferred into a system and converted into kinetic energy, whereas example 2 shows kinetic energy being transferred into a system and converted into potential energy. Take a second, pause the video, select your answer, and when you're ready to go over it, go ahead and unpause the video. All right, think you got the right answer? Let's go ahead and take a look. We know that energy can be transferred from one object to another, and we know that energy can be converted from one type to the other. We know that the battery here and the Gatorade here are both examples of stored potential energy, energy that can be used to move or change objects in the future. In this case, it's moving and changing the sound waves that are coming out of the phone. Here, it's moving and changing the human's body to be able to run faster. So example 1 and 2 are both examples of potential energy being converted into kinetic energy, whereas the balloon is an example of kinetic energy, the air being blown out, being stored and converted as potential energy for later. So the best answer is option 1. If you have questions about this, reach out. Otherwise, good luck with the rest.